Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a review over the 18-inch Neewer brand ring light. But before we get into the video, I want to ask you to subscribe to the channel so that we can continue to bring you great videos on crafting, tips, tutorials, and different product reviews. See you on the other side. So, we're bringing you this video today because we broke the #1 rule as new YouTubers. And what's that rule? The #1 rule is lighting. We had very poor lighting in our first 3 videos, and hopefully this ring light is going to rectify that problem. Daylight savings is getting dark earlier, and part of the hassle was after work, coming home, it's dark and it's poor lighting in the house. So we just rolled with it and did the best that we could. So as we grow and develop and learn, we're going to be taking you all along on the journey with us. So this 18-inch ring light, I love it already, and this is our first day using it. We're going to do the unbagging. I can't call it unboxing because we already unboxed it. We were so excited to get it, and I forgot a lot of people like to see the unboxing. So the light is actually set up now. The video may get darker after this because I'm going to break the light down, put it in a bag, and show you all how it came and put it together and show you the whole process. So we hope you like the video, and I'll see you in a few. All right, we're back. Now, this is the box that it came with, and this is the bag with all the parts. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the box and start breaking down the bag and naming out the parts. So now I've got T-Mac in the background on the camera. If I forget the part name, she may have to call it out for me. So we're going to start with the tripod stand. It comes like this. We got to open the legs up, and it's height adjustable. Open the legs up all the way out. You got this bolt right here, or screw, whatever you want to call it. Just screw it in to tighten it. Like so. Now your legs are tight. Bam. Now, this is the height adjustable tripod stand. You got these screws right here. Once you adjust it to the height, you just tighten it like so, and it's sturdy. Okay. On to the next one. We got the ring light itself, the head part. Okay. It comes without this. I went ahead and pre-snapped it. These are the ring light filters, I believe. You got the white, which is standard, which I'll be using all the time. And it also has these orange or red ones that you could use also. So you put the head on top of the tripod. Let me know if I need to lower this a little bit for the video. I'm gonna break it down a little bit like that. Now, put the head on top of the tripod. Get it down. You can loosen this screw to the side to make it a little easier for you to get it on there. But put that in there. Having a little technical difficulty. There we go. Now it's locked in. Uh-oh. One of these days it's gonna tighten. There we go.
You're doing good.
That's in there right there. Next part, we have the power cord. Power cord, standard plug, plugs into your wall. This part plugs in to this piece here, like so. And the last couple of pieces are it comes with this. This is another type of adapter. Look at that instruction. What's the proper name of this, babe? I think it's a gooseneck extension. That makes it a little taller.
A flexible gooseneck.
Okay, flexible. That makes it a little taller and it kind of curves over, but we're not going to use that right now. Okay, we have this ball head part. Yeah, ironic, huh? The irony. This is the part that comes like this, and you attach your cell phone adapter to the top of that. So that slides into the back of here, and it has a groove. Once you put it in the groove, you twist these screws and it tightens it down. So we're gonna put it in, twist, tighten down, now it won't move. So, and you put this on top for your cell phone. It extends for different size phones. You screw that in. And I'm going to even use my phone to demonstrate. Give me just a second to go off camera. And I'm back. All right. Boom. Turn that bad boy around like so. I hope it's wide enough to fit my phone. Hold on. May have to take it out this case. Give me just a second, y'all. This case. See what we're working with now. Boom, that was it. Had to take that case off. Slide it in, and you're ready to record. So there you have it, 18-inch ring light. I'm going to end the video. I got an important part about this ball head adapter. If you don't have to record only with your cell phone. You can take this off and put any kind of camera that you choose to record with. And it also comes with this little remote. You can turn it on if you're filming by yourself. You got that remote to control your camera. So there you have it with the 18-inch ring light. Oh, before we go, let me show you the brightness of the light. Right now it's off. It has a little power knob on the right-hand lower side, and you twist to turn it on and increase the light.
Woo!
So I didn't go all the way up for the sake of the video, but we thank you for tuning in. We ask you once again to like, share, comment, subscribe, support the channel so that we can continue to bring you great crafting tutorials and product reviews that may help you create something amazing. And wait, there's more. I almost forgot, guys. If you want to buy a ring light of your own, look in the description below and click the link. There's no sense in you searching around the internet. I taught you about the light. I showed you how it comes. I showed you how to put it up. Why not buy one from us? Thank you for your support, and we'll see you on the next video.